Hello my dear children, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. I'll show you something. See this children. Have you seen this? What is this? This is the picture of sky and it is night time, isn't it? What all things you can see here? You can see moon and so many stars, isn't it? So, we have seen the picture of sky at night and we have seen moon and so many stars. Have you ever wished to have the moon in your hands? Have you ever wished to have the moon in your hands? Have you wished to touch the moon? It is looking very beautiful, isn't it? So today we are going to learn about a kid who always wanted to have moon in her hands. So the name of our chapter is The Moon in a Bowl. The moon in a bowl. So the name of our chapter is The Moon in a Bowl. So let's look on to your textbook.
The moon in a bowl. Ajay is eating dinner. Vani is crying. She is his little sister. She does not want to eat her food. Grandmother takes Vani outside the house. Vani looks up. The stars are twinkling in the sky. The moon is shining brightly among them. Vani is happy to see the night sky. She asks grandmother to get the moon for her. Ajay hears Vani and laughs. Grandmother says, I will get the moon for you, but you have to finish your dinner first. Vani goes inside and starts eating her food. Ajay looks at grandmother. He wonders how she will get the moon for Vani. Vani finishes her food. Grandmother goes to the kitchen. She comes back with a big bowl of water. She goes outside. The children follow her. Grandmother keeps the bowl on the grass. She calls Vani and says, Here is the moon, but don't touch it. If you do, it will go away. Vani looks inside the bowl. She can see the moon in the water. She is very happy. She looks at grandmother and gives her a sweet smile.
Now I'll explain the story for you. Ajay is eating dinner. So who is Ajay? Ajay is a boy and Vani is crying. Who is Vani? Vani is Ajay's younger sister. She is his little sister. She does not want to eat her food. She is crying and crying and crying. She does not want to eat her food. Grandmother takes Vani outside the house. So Vani is crying and grandmother takes her outside the house. Vani looks up. Vani looks on the sky. The stars are twinkling in the sky. So I have asked you before, have you ever watched sky during night time? How will it look like? It is very beautiful. The stars will be twinkling in the sky. Twinkling means what? Twinkling. What is the meaning of twinkling? Twinkling. Twinkling means shining. Twinkling means shining. So what is the meaning of twinkling? Twinkling means shining. So you have learned the rhyme, isn't it? Twinkle, twinkle, little stars. Do you remember that? So twinkling means shining. Now we learned a new word, twinkling, and the meaning is shining. So Vani looks up. She looks up the sky and she found that the stars are twinkling. That means the stars are shining in the sky. The stars are twinkling in the sky. The moon is shining brightly among them. So Vani saw stars and moon in the sky. Vani is happy to see the night sky. So I have told you before that the night sky is looking very beautiful. She asks grandmother to get the moon for her. She's a little kid, isn't it? So she's asking to her grandmother that, hey grandmother, please get that moon for me. She wants the moon in her hands. Ajay hears Vani and laughs. Ajay is hearing this and he is laughing. Grandmother says, I will get the moon for you. But the grandmother told to little Vani that, don't worry, I will get the moon for you. I will bring the moon here and I'll get it for you. But you have to finish your dinner first. So grandmother told that I'll bring the moon here, but before that you should eat your dinner. Vani was not eating her dinner. She was crying and crying. So the grandmother told that you have to eat your dinner first. After that, I'll bring the moon here. Vani goes inside and starts eating her food. So Vani is very obedient. She is a very good girl. She went inside the house and she had her dinner. Ajay looks at grandmother. He wonders how she will get the moon for Vani. So Ajay is little bit older than Vani and he is thinking that how will grandmother bring the moon here? The moon is in the sky and Ajay is thinking that how will grandmother bring the moon down? Ajay wonders. Wonders means things. Wonders. Wonders. What is the meaning of wonders? Wonders means things. So Ajay is thinking that how will grandmother bring the moon down to the earth? How can Vani get the moon? Vani finishes her food. So grandmother told that once you finish your food, I'll get the moon for you. So Vani thought that, oh, if I eat my dinner fast, grandmother will get me the moon. So thinking that, Vani ate her food. Grandmother goes to the kitchen. She comes back with a big bowl of water. She goes outside. The children follow her. So grandmother went to the kitchen. She took a bowl, filled it with water, and she went outside. And the children followed her. So grandmother told Vani that once you finish your dinner, I'll get the moon for you. So Vani ate her food and now she is thinking that, oh my God, now grandmother will bring the moon for me. And she is very excited. So grandmother went to the kitchen. She took a bowl, filled it with water and she went out. And the children followed her. Who were the children? Vani and Ajay. They followed grandmother. So 3 of them went outside the home. Grandmother keeps the bowl on the grass. She calls Vani and says, here is the moon, but don't touch it. If you do, it will go away. So the grandmother is brilliant. She is very clever. What she did? She kept that bowl full of water on the ground. She kept that bowl on the ground and water was filled in the bowl. And after that, what she did? She called Vani and said that, here is the moon. Where is the moon? The moon is in the bowl. So, how clever the grandmother is. The moon is in the sky and the grandmother brought the moon down. How she brought the moon? She took a bowl and filled it with water and after that she placed it on the ground, then what happened? The moon appeared in the bowl. Actually, it was the reflection of the moon, and Vani was very happy. So, grandmother promised to Vani that I'll bring the moon here, I'll get the moon for you. And what happened? She brought the moon down, and Vani is very happy now. Here is the moon, but don't touch it. So now the moon is in the bowl, and grandmother is telling to Vani that here is the moon. The moon is inside the bowl, but you should not touch it. You should not touch it. If you do, it will go away. If you try to touch it, what will happen? It will go away. So the grandmother is very clever. She took a bowl, filled it with water, kept it on the ground, and she showed Vani that here is the moon. It was the reflection of the moon. Here is the moon, and by seeing the moon, Vani became happy. And after that, grandmother told, here is the moon, but you should not touch it. You should not touch it. If you try to touch it, what will happen? The moon will go away. Vani looks inside the bowl. So Vani is looking inside the bowl. She can see the moon in the water. Now she can see the moon in the water. So where is the water? The water is inside the bowl, and the moon is in the water. So Vani can see the moon in the bowl, and she is very happy. So she can see the moon in the water. She is very happy. She looks at grandmother and gives her a sweet smile. So Vani became happy, and she looked at her grandmother and gave a pleasant smile, a sweet smile. Did you understand the story? How was it? Okay, now we'll do the activity part. Are you ready, children? Okay, let's do it. Now, look here, children. We are going to do an activity. We are going to do activity A2 in our textbook. Complete the following sentences. So, we are going to complete these sentences. Vani is crying. What does grandmother do? So, we have already learned it in our chapter. Vani is crying. What does grandmother do? So, look here, children. Grandmother. Can you tell me what grandmother did? Grandmother takes Vani. Grandmother takes Vani outside the house. Outside the house. Can you see this, children? So, Vani is crying. What does grandmother do? And what is the answer? Grandmother takes Vani outside the house. Now we are going to do the second one. What does Vani see in the sky? Can you tell me? What does Vani see in the sky? Yes, Vani sees. Yes, you know the answer. Vani sees the stars, and the moon. Vani sees the stars and the moon. So, what is her answer? She sees the stars and the moon. Now repeat it, children. What does Vani see in the sky? What does Vani see in the sky? She sees the stars and the moon. Now we are going to do the third question. What does Vani ask grandmother to get for her? So we have already learned that Vani was crying to get something in her hands. Now can you tell me what does Vani ask grandmother to get for her. She asks grandmother to get, yes, to get the moon for her. To get the moon for her. So we'll repeat this answer. What does Vani ask grandmother to get for her? And the answer is she asks grandmother to get the moon for her. Did you understand? Now we'll do the fourth question. What does grandmother bring from the kitchen? Now tell me the answer of this. What does grandmother bring from the kitchen? So we have already learned that grandmother brings. What does grandmother brings from the kitchen? Yes, tell me. Grandmother brings a big bowl of water from the kitchen. She brings a big bowl of water from the kitchen. Now repeat the answer, children. She brings a big bowl of water from the kitchen. Repeat it. She brings a big bowl of water from the kitchen. Now we are going to do the last one. Say this. What does Vani see in the bowl? You know the answer. What does Vani see in the bowl? Can you tell me the answer? Yes, very good. She sees the moon in the bowl. She sees the moon in the bowl. So we'll repeat this answer once again. What does Vani see in the bowl? What is the answer? She sees the moon in the bowl. So we have finished the comprehension part. Now we are going to do an activity. Have you seen this, children? This is a blue color paper. So we are going to make the night sky. We are going to make the night sky poster. So the things we need are a blue color paper, a glue stick, some glitters, and the shape of moon. I cut the shape from this paper. We can cut the shape of a moon from this paper. So this is the moon I cut from this paper. Now we are going to make the night sky poster. Are you ready, children? Let's do it. So we'll take the paper first of all. Then we'll open our glue stick. Then we are going to paste our moon here. Okay, so we have pasted the shape of the moon here. Now we are going to draw stars on this paper. We are going to draw stars. Can you see this, children? We are drawing stars. If you want so many stars, you can draw so many stars. Now I am drawing very few stars. Now what we are going to do is we are going to spread glue on the stars. Here I have another glue. I'm going to spread glue on the stars. Can you see this, children? I'm applying glue on the stars.
So we'll do this like this. So we have applied glue on the stars. We have applied glue here. Now we are going to apply some glue on our moon also. We are going to apply some glue on the top of our moon also. Have you seen this? So we had a paper, we have drawn some stars, we pasted a moon, and now we are going to add some glitters. Can you see this, children? We are applying glitters. We are applying glitters. So we have applied glitters all over the paper. Now we'll spread it everywhere. We spread the glitters everywhere, and we should wait for 1 to 2 minutes. By the time we'll sing a song. You should sing it with me. Are you ready, children? Let's sing it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now repeat it, children. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Very good, children. So you sang with me. Now we are going to dust off the remaining glitters. Now our glitter is pasted everywhere. So we'll dust off the remaining and count with me. 1, 2, 3. Our night sky poster is ready. Have you seen this? Our night sky poster is ready. So we have a glittering moon here and some stars. Did you like it? Did you like it, children? Now you have to do this. You have to do this. You have to buy a blue color paper and do this night sky poster. Once you do it, take a photo and send it to me in school WhatsApp number. Now I'll give you homework. Now see this, children. Page number 34. Can you see this? Page number 34, activity A1. So you have to write this whether these sentences are true or false. So this is your first homework. Is it clear? Now you have another homework, that is activity A3. Can you see this? Activity A3. You have to arrange these sentences and put them numbers. Okay, you have to arrange these sentences in order. Now we have learned this chapter, and your third homework is you have to read this chapter 2 times. Take the video of your reading exercise and send it to me in school WhatsApp number. See you in next class. Thank you.